going on, guys? We made it down to the creek today. I actually already see fish. So today we're just gonna be doing some creek fishing. Hopefully we can catch some. Let's get it.
One.
So literally what I have to do is just like not the great and I can't cast this. It's so light. It's insane. And I also didn't tune my bait caster, so that's also can't blame everything on the bait. But I'm gonna blame everything on the bait.
One.
I'm gonna film this when I get home, dude. My other rod snapped off because I was thinking, oh, come on, hit it. He came up, stared at it, but didn't hit it. Because if he would have hit it, I would have caught him. There's trouble. Bro, I can't cast it in here. I can't cast it. I don't even care. This is making me look bad.
Good.
Alright guys, so if you come over here, I don't know if you can see it, there's a huge catfish right there. You can't see it. But that catfish has been, is that a striper? That's not a striper. No. Wait, what's this? Crap. How did this just happen? This is not very good. Oh, hit it! Look at them! Wait, there's a striper right there!
There's a striper in here?
Apparently! I swear that was a striper.
Don't hit me, please.
It swam by. Guys, look, for some reason, I didn't tune my bait caster, so look. Oh, shoot. So I literally have to press the button, and then I have to cast it. It's all fucked up. Oh, alright guys, so I casted right by that tree, right? This thing was still floating on the top. I start moving it, and he comes up and destroys this, bro. Okay, this is gonna be... Oh, he choked it. This guy just choked it, bro. Hold his fins down. Ow, he's spying me. Hold his spine. Oh, he doubled it.
Doubled.
I got 2 hooks in him. Second fish of the day. Here he is.
Don't hook me.
Sorry. And
No,
release.
dang it. I wanted to hold him. Goodbye.
Alright, that was good. Alright, watch this next cast, guys. Ready? I might have just scooped this spot because I caught that and that fish made a lot of noise. Also, we see that there's 2 catfish down there.
Yeah, we wish we could catch those.
I casted it right by that tree and brought it right through nice and slow, perfectly. That's exactly what I wanted to do. And he came up and crushed it.
Why isn't it casting?
I don't know. Being weird.
This rod's weird.
It's being super weird. But
Oh,
that was
so light.
insane. Oh, what the heck?
What is wrong with this?
It was just too low. Wait, I'm down here. Ready? There's 2 catfish down here somewhere. That was a complete blow up. Like, he came up. That's a sunfish, too. He came up and destroyed it. Alright, so what I was doing to catch a bass, I'm just bringing it slow through. I know they bite the tail, and they run with it. So until they are literally hooked, they have to hook themselves. They literally have to hook themselves, alright? And the one that I just caught, it literally flopped off of the hook by itself. That just shows you I have to get it in quick. I just have to let it cook itself. I'm feeling nibbles right now. Doesn't matter. Let it sink. They attack it as soon as it hits the water. I'm drumming for it. Look at them. Look at them. It's groups of smallie. That's what it is. It's little groups of smallmouth bass. Oh, look, that's a good one. That's a good sized one. I gotta catch him. That's probably an 8-inch one. Small. He hit it. He hit it again. He bit the tail and they run. That's exactly what they do. They bite the tail and they run. Oh, took it. Smallmouth bass right here. These are how small these bass are. Caught it on the little grub thing, alright? Here's the release. Ready? Revive him a little bit, and there he goes. That's a smallmouth bass. There we go, right out of here. Go. We're gonna make a move upstream, but real quick. Let me get some of these. Yep. Yeah, I got attacked right there. I got hit instantly. I did have a fish, but it got off earlier. Come on, hit it. Oh, he hit it right at the bank. I don't let him eat it. I'm not letting him eat it. I'm yanking it. Oh my god. Look at all of them. They've already seen this bait like so many times, but they're still hitting it. There's a whole school of bass down there. Oh. I ain't trying to get the sunfish. Come on, go
Really,
after it.
just any fish.
Look at them. That was bass, bro. That's literally a school of, I don't know if it's bass, because bass don't go in schools.
Probably isn't then.
Yeah, it probably isn't bass. Alright, let's go up.
Go upstream.